This is a review of the AeroBase grow bag from VIVOSUN, and this is the 3-pack. The brand sent this to me so that I can do a review, and I'm so glad that they did. I had no idea how thick and durable this material was that they use for their grow bags. I'm used to more of a fabric type grow bag, and this is definitely not some flimsy fabric. It even has this reinforced base bottom. It feels very, it's several layers deep. And so you probably can't see, but so this reinforced bottom is several layers deep, and it is a very durable material here. And again, this is the 5-gallon. And how these grow bags work is when the roots grow, they end up going out and then air pruning. So just make sure that any grow bag is not on the ground, because as the roots can actually grow into the ground through the grow bag. So I've had that happen before. So just make sure that you've got like a saucer, or you put this on, a driveway or a deck or patio. And then this is very breathable, and it is very easy to transport. So then that way, if you need to rotate bags because of the sun or the weather, it's very easily accessible to do that.